50-30-20 rule, the easiest budget plan to grow wealth. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, wondering where your money disappears every month, and feeling like saving or investing is impossible? What if I told you there's a simple formula that can change your financial future starting today? It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it's the easiest budget plan to manage your money, save consistently, and start growing wealth, no matter your income level. Welcome to Wealth Galaxy, your guide to financial freedom. If you want smart, practical strategies to manage your money and grow your wealth, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a simple and flexible budgeting framework created by Senator Elizabeth Warren to help everyday people manage their money with ease. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, essential expenses, things you absolutely cannot live without. 30% of your income goes to wants, non-essential expenses that add fun and joy to your life. 20% of your income goes to savings and investments, the money that builds your future wealth. It's a formula that's easy to follow, works with any income, and, most importantly, keeps you on track to achieve financial freedom. The 50-30-20 rule works because it is simple, flexible, and achievable. Here are its key benefits. 1. Gives every dollar a purpose. You know exactly where your money is going, how much you can spend, save, and enjoy, without guessing. 2. Balances today and tomorrow. This method allows you to enjoy life now, 30% wants, while securing your future, 20% savings and investments. 3. Reduces financial stress. Managing your money with a clear plan removes uncertainty and anxiety about finances. 4. Works for any income level. Whether you earn €2,000 or €20,000, this budgeting rule can be adapted to your financial situation. 5. Helps you build good habits. By following this framework, saving and budgeting becomes second nature. 6. Promotes progress over perfection. Even if you can't stick to the percentages exactly at first, progress matters more than perfection. Category 1, 50% for needs. Let's break down the first category, 50% for needs. Needs are your essential expenses, the things you absolutely must pay for to survive. These include housing, rent, mortgage payments, property taxes, utilities, electricity, water, gas, internet, and phone bills, groceries, food essentials for you and your family, transportation, car payments, fuel, public transport, or commuting costs, insurance, health, car, or home insurance premiums, minimum debt payments, credit card minimums or loan repayments. Example scenario. If you earn €3,000 per month, you should aim to spend no more than €1,500 on your needs. What if your needs take up more than 50%? It's common for needs to exceed the 50% limit, especially in areas with high living costs. Here's what you can do. 1. Look for ways to cut back. Move to a smaller apartment, carpool to reduce fuel costs, or use energy-efficient appliances to lower bills. 2. Negotiate your bills. Call service providers to negotiate lower rates on internet, insurance, or phone plans. Switch to cheaper options if needed. 3. Track your spending. Identify unnecessary needs and eliminate them, for instance, unused subscriptions. Tools like budget apps can help you categorize and monitor essential spending in real time. Category 2, 30% for wants. Now, let's talk about the fun part, 30% for wants. Wants are things you enjoy but don't absolutely need to survive. This category includes dining out, restaurants, takeout, or your favorite €5 coffee. Entertainment, streaming subscriptions like Netflix, Spotify, movies, concerts, or game nights. Shopping, clothes, gadgets, books, or hobbies. Leisure travel, vacations, weekend getaways, or day trips. Self-care, gym memberships, spa visits, or beauty treatments. Example scenario. If you earn €3,000 per month, your wants budget is €900. Why is this important? Spending on wants within limits keeps you happy, motivated, and avoids budget burnout. Denying yourself completely often backfires, leading to overspending later. Make a list of wants you value most and cut back on the ones that don't bring you joy. For example, prioritize a fun vacation over daily takeout coffee. Spend on experiences like concerts or trips instead of buying things you'll quickly forget. Category 3, 20% for savings and investments. Finally, the most important part, 20% for savings and investments. This is where you pay yourself first and set your future self up for success. Here's how to use this category effectively. 1. Build an emergency fund. Start by saving 3 to 6 months of expenses for emergencies like job loss, unexpected car repairs, or medical bills. Example scenario. If your monthly expenses are €2,000, aim to save €6,000 to €12,000. 2. Pay down high-interest debt. Focus on paying off credit card debt or loans with high interest rates. This frees up more money for future savings. 3. Invest for the future. Start investing in tools like index funds and ETFs, low-cost, diversified options that grow wealth over time. Retirement accounts. Contribute to retirement plans to benefit from compound interest. Stocks and real estate. Explore other investment options as you grow more confident. 4. Save for your goals. Set aside money for things that matter to you, for example, buying a home, planning your dream vacation, funding your children's education. Example scenario. If you save €600 per month and invest it in an index fund with an 8% annual return, you'll have over €100,000 in 10 years. That's the power of consistency and compound interest. Final recap and key takeaways. Let's recap the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, essentials like housing, groceries, and utilities. 30% for wants, fun expenses that improve your quality of life. 20% for savings and investments, building your future wealth. The 50-30-20 rule simplifies your finances, builds good habits, and helps you achieve a balanced life where you can enjoy today and prepare for tomorrow. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Even small steps today can lead to massive results in the future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Wealth Galaxy for weekly tips on budgeting, saving, and investing. Let's take this journey to financial freedom, together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.